Key takeaways from rolling along the anatomy trains. 1, you're going to learn the anatomy trains. 2, you will learn dozens of self-massage techniques that honor and help you to embody these anatomy trains. 3, you'll actually see us in the process of creating check-in and rechecks or test-retests. The test-retests, the before-afters, are very inspiring to any type of movement professional or clinical professional who's looking for, well, how do I check if this is an effective move or not? So you can let our check and rechecks inspire some of your ideas around that.
If you start taking in the body as a whole and don't divide it up into its parts, you begin to see effects that you had no idea that when you would go up the quads from the knee and the breathing changes. How does that work? Well, we're going to give you a map for how that works.
There are treasure-rich autonomic nervous system adjustments that happen in the program, especially in the deep front line.
Traditional anatomy has really been built, like most of our thinking in the Western world since Aristotle and certainly since Newton, on breaking things down into parts. And then when you understand the parts, you can put the parts together. And so we've treated the body like a Ford F-150 or a Dell computer, as if you could assemble it out of parts. What we're doing is connecting things up, how that it connects through the fabric of the body so that when you're working with one of these rollouts, you're working with a functional part of the body that's going to serve you in good stead when you put it into motion. Traditional anatomy breaks things down. We're putting things together.